Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk through how I fertilize my orchids. Alright, let's begin. First, please keep in mind that my fertilizing routine is not the only effective way to fertilize your orchids. There are a ton of fertilizer combinations, formulas, and techniques that work just as well. One of the first things I wondered when I started growing orchids is, what does that 20-20-20 or 30-10-10, those three numbers that have to do with the fertilizer mean? These three numbers represent the three most important nutrients for orchids. First, nitrogen, which is for leaf and stem growth, phosphorus for root growth and flower production, and potassium for overall health and growth of your orchid. So for my orchids, I use Grow More Premium Orchid Food 20-20-20 fertilizer, with a slight exception being my Cattleya Alliance orchids and orchids grown in bark. I use a slow release fertilizer. I water weekly and I fertilize at about half strength every other week, but many people do weekly, or once a month at full strength, and it works well for them. Let's talk about the slow release fertilizer method that I use. So I use 2 slow release fertilizers from the Orchid Nerd, which is Waldorf Orchids supplies brand. From April until September, I sprinkle a few pellets of the NutriCoat 1868 fertilizer. And you can see on the packaging on screen the amount for the pot sizes. I just sprinkle a couple into the pot, and that's what I was recommended by Waldorf, and it works really well. From October until March, I use 13-11-11 NutriCoat fertilizer. Once I sprinkle the fertilizer in, I just water with my mister or bring it to the sink or the tub. So talk about convenient. My last piece of advice is to research your orchid, learn about their growth. Some orchids are sensitive, and it's good to keep an eye out for signs that you may be fertilizing too strong, or you might not be fertilizing enough. And that's where you can experiment with your fertilizing routine and see what works best with your conditions. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and as always, like and subscribe to the channel. So with that, thank you so much for watching. I'm Brian from Orchids by Brian, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.